म्हणजे केलं चालू. Good morning, one and all present here. I am Pratik Bora, and we are here to give the paper presentation for our DSP project using MATLAB to measure the diameter of an object within an image. Our group members are Sudeep Karajangi, Ronit Birla, and Om Salga. Abstract for our paper presentation is for many situations where computer vision is required rather than physical measurement, measuring items within an image or frame can be crucial feature. The application note will go over a fundamental step-by-step approach for locating and measuring the diameter of a desired item. Inductance conducts MATLAB diameter image measure image processing toolbox. Introduction. MATLAB is an interactive environment and high-level language for programming, visualizing, and computing. A MATLAB package called Image Processing Toolbox offers a complete collection of industry reference algorithms, functions, and tools for image processing, analyze, and visualization and algorithm building. These technologies make it simple and quick to scan and analyze photos without requiring in-depth expertise in a difficult coding languages. Objective: by following the instruction in the application note, you will be able to create a MATLAB script file that will import an image, segment it to separate the required item from its backdrop, and then utilize the image processing toolbox built-in MATLAB function to calculate the object diameter. In application note, it is expected that the reader has some familiar with MATLAB. This is all covered by my side. Next part will be covered by Sudeep Karajangi.
Hello everyone, my name is Sudeep Karajangi. I'm going to cover the process of measuring the diameter of an object within an image. So first process is to import image. First is to download the image processing toolbox from the application part of MATLAB software, and then create a new MATLAB script file. Then start adding the code to import the appropriate image to measure into the MATLAB workspace. The workspace is cleared in the first few lines along with any previous variables and the command window. It is crucial that the folder containing the script file and image is the current folder that you are working on. ImRead is a command that reads an image and turns it into a three-dimensional RGB matrix. The image that will be used in this paper is ball.jpg, and it has the dimensions 534 by 401. The ImRead function turns this into a 401x 534x3 matrix, which is rows into columns into RGB matrix. Red, green, and blue intensity levels are represented by the final dimension RGB. To see the created image in the new window, use ImShow. The second process is to segment the image. To separate the backdrop from the desired object, segment the image into a binary image. The image is initially divided into three images according to how intensely each red, green, and blue component is present in the image. This type of image segmentation is color-based. Figure 2 shows that the blue plane offers the greatest contrast between the intended object, which is foreground, and the backdrop, making it the best option to employ for image thresholding. Based on the chosen level, image thresholding transforms an intensity image into a binary image, which pixels are set to 1 white or 0 black, depends on their value, and is determined by the number between 0 and 1. Right click on the value and choose increment value and run section from the menu at the top to select the value that is suitable for your application. Select the best threshold value after setting the increment value to 0.01. The outcome of the image thresholding at 0.37 is depicted in figure 2. You can see that the image top right of the figure 3 has been divided into the backdrop and the object we want to measure. Now, the next process will be covered by Ronit Birla.
Hello everyone, myself Ronit Birla. I'm covering remaining part of the process. It's C segmentation continue. As you know, the top left image in figure 3, there is a quite a little deal of noise and order to increase the precision of diameter measurement. We must drastically clean the image. For information on the step required to clean up the image and give a more homogeneous blob for analysis. See figure 3. In the paper blobs, blobs are any grouping of white pixel that overlap to the form of unified project. Next process is measuring image. The ball from the original image is representing by the blob that is created as a result of an image segmentation and cleanup steps. Lower, it's indicating lower right corner. The binary representation of the original image will make it simple for other MATLAB function to swiftly evaluate the region and variety of data. The tool that will give the major axis length of the blob in the image in region props function. We can see the major output in command window. Next part will be covered by Om.
Morning, sir. So the results of our project are the diameter is now roughly 170 pixels wide in the command window. Using the IM disk line function, this was confirmed in figure 4. As you can see from comparing the two figures, figure 4's manual measurement and the value determined by the code were virtually identical. Now, sir, the future recommendation